What shall we make today? I guess it's going to be a Commando. This doesn't have anything like any fun little words about it. It just starts off with 1 part Contro. You know what that means? It's, for us, it's 1 part triple sec, because Contro is expensive and we're cheap as hell. That came very close to being over the edge. 2 parts lime juice. You'll notice I'm on the tall boy. If you don't understand what's happening as far as tall and small parts of the jigger, watch another video. Pay attention. Class is in session. Then we have 8 parts whiskey. I hope that this is enough. This is why we're starting off with the small side of the jigger. Had enough. Then you take some ice and put it in here so you can shake this bad boy up. Then you pour this out. I'm making 2 drinks with this. This looks kind of like an average, like a whiskey sour. Then, each drink gets 1 to 2 dashes of absinthe. Wormwort. I think wormwort was like a hallucinogenic.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Pretty sure. That sounds right. We'll just say that's right. This does not have that in there, so far as we know. So absinthe is a very strong flavor. I feel like it's going to overpower everything based on the way it smells.
Licorice.
Licorice.
I like it. I like licorice though.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's weird. Like, personally, I don't like the combination of, like, I like all of these flavors individually, but together it's like real weird for me. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's smooth.
It tastes like licorice.
Yeah, like it takes away any burn from the, I mean, there's like each of these drinks is basically like 2 shots of whiskey and then a little bit of lime juice and triple sec and absinthe, and it's like there's no burn. So, I don't know. Bean likes the smell of it, and that's all that should matter.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, right. So like, I think that's that button. Subscribe is this button. I'm getting better at this. And then these are like a bunch of other videos you can watch. So do those things and, you know, have yourself a ball on the old YouTube.